To make kadai chicken, we need chopped onions, chopped chili, chopped tomato, ginger paste, garlic paste, and all the quantities are given in the description box. Kashmiri mirch powder, garam masala powder, salt, turmeric powder, green chili vinegar, and also some ghee and chicken masala. I have marinated the chicken with turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, vinegar and ginger garlic paste, and also fried the potatoes with salt and turmeric and kept aside. In the kadai, I have taken 8 tablespoons of mustard oil and I have added whole garam masala. Now I have added 1 cup of chopped onion and we have to fry it till golden brown. Next we have to add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon and tomato. I have taken 2 medium sized tomato and 4 green chilies. Now we will add pinch of salt in it. Now one by one I will add Kashmiri mirch powder 1 teaspoon and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Now we will add little bit of water and cook the bhuna masala till the oil comes out. Next we have to add the marinated chicken pieces into the masala. After that I will add 1 teaspoon of vinegar in it. Next we will add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder in it. Next I am going to add the golden fried potatoes which is already half cooked. Mix it well with the masala. Next I have added Shahi Garam Masala 1 teaspoon and cow's ghee 1 teaspoon. Next I am going to add 2 cups of water and cover it with lid and let it cook for next 20 minutes till the meat and the potato becomes tender and well cooked. So friends, our kadai chicken is ready. Serve it with paratha, rice or roti. Enjoy with your friends and family, and if you like my video then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and wait for my new videos to come. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.